Hey car fans, today we're unboxing the Hot Wheels 2025 J case. The biggest highlight: Hot Wheels finally secured the Ferrari license again after 10 years. So this set includes the first ever Ferrari SF90, also Ferrari's debut hybrid supercar. Each case contains 72 cars, and longtime collectors know, every case has one treasure hunt, but scoring a super treasure hunt, that's pure luck. First up, Dodge's 700 series farm truck. Below it is the decidedly gold tool car, and above, this magic egg ball. It's a real-life decision maker. Shake it, and answers like yes or no appear. Hot Wheels made a mini version. So fun. Next, Alfiento with its transparent red hood. Press the button to remove it for extra play. Then the Austin minivan art car UK flag design. Followed by Maserati, previously red, now in sleek black. Batman's car returns in new blue, while the Nerf hammer, a legend since 2006, gets a refresh. The Dodge Viper, 2025 new mold, rocks classic American racing stripes. And the Hot Wheels EV supercharged looks futuristic. The Mustang Funny Car, red, is this year's supercharger hunt, rare find. Then, Kowloon Hyperwing, designed by a Hong Kong artist, reimagined as an animal transport van, not the classic green minibus. Love the 2025 cone car. Fans stack these like ice cream cones. Dragon Wagon fits your action figures. While the Vespa scooter, pepper white, not last year's red, is a street side staple, my top pick. The Benz 560 SEC AMG in olive green with metallic flakes, stunning in sunlight. Also in new colors, GR86, Mattel's 80th anniversary Dream Mobile, Red Tribute, and Mickey Mouse's Steamboat, wheels spin. The crown jewel, the 2025 Ferrari SF90. Hot Wheels' first plug-in hybrid Ferrari in a decade. Upcoming sets will feature the Ferrari 365 and F40. Other standouts: Renault E-Space F1, V10 engine, 0 to 100 km/h in 2.8s. 67 Mustang muscle car, Chevy farm truck, green Nissan Leaf with Cheshire Hunt logo, 1 per case. Honda Motocompo folds into a Honda City Turbo. Chinese-designed Harco Type D, Nissan S15 front. Pro tip: the dark blue Corvette Gasser might be your super treasure hunt. Rubber tires. And Lamborghini Miura, black gold. F1 fans, this Mercedes F1 car, with driver figure, is one of 8 F1 models releasing this year. Plus, the electric E-Racer Real World EV Racer. And BMW 635 CSI, chrome bumpers, transparent lights, gorgeous. Closing with Lotus Vintage F1. Gordon Murray's blue concept car. And a Porsche 911 keychain. Second Ferrari SF90. Check. final trio, Ford GT, Disney Steamboat, and Eraser. Time for a group photo. Catch you next video. Bye.